From urban centers to remote locations, PALFINGER Mechanics Trucks are designed for the toughest conditions. Quick to deploy, PALFINGER Service Cranes offer unmatched versatility and precision. From routine maintenance to heavy-duty lifts, PALFINGER cranes handle the workload with ease. Maximizing efficiency with every tool and every lift. Designed with your safety at the forefront, PALFINGER helps to keep your crews safe and your equipment reliable. PALFINGER doesn't just build for today, we build for the long haul. Our industry-leading E-coat technology ensures maximum protection for every crane and truck. By utilizing advanced E-coat technology, each part is evenly coated, providing an eco-friendly, corrosion-resistant shield that extends the lifespan of your equipment. Whatever the job, wherever the site, trust PALFINGER to get it done.